Hey everybody, it's your buddy Adil speaking from Brazil. I hope that everyone is safe with all the madness going on. And today's video is I'm sharing with you three winning products that you can start selling right now during this lockdown. Parceros, check this out. E-commerce is booming right now. This is the stock of Amazon. It's going like up, all the way up. The stock of Shopify going up. E-commerce is exploding because right now people are at their home and they are bored and they need stuff, so they buy stuff online. And like this period, CPM is ridiculously cheap, and buying intent is similar to the one of Q4. Like this is something really crazy. I have my ninjas and people in my mentorship that are crushing the game right now. Crazy numbers, and all you need is putting the right product in front of the right audience, and I've got you covered for this. Like just take action on what I'm going to share with you, and take your piece of this big ecom cake that everyone is eating right now. I want to see you crushing it, guys. So let's get started. So the first winning product is the pet trimmer. As you can see in here, like it's selling like crazy and it's just going up, and on the big four. So this is something I will definitely give it a try, and you can also go for the trimmer. It's also going up like crazy because everyone gonna need a haircut in this lockdown. So first they will get a haircut for themselves, and then they will need a haircut for their pets. So if you are in the pet niche, definitely go for the hair trimmer and give it a try. This one is not for pets. As you can see, the curve is going up, up, up. Another one, this one is for pets, low noise electric pets. I'm sure that this part they were doing some testing, they got some fuck ups, and now they are going back. This is the business. Low noise pet hair. These guys took it to a different level, like for horses. Same, scaling it to the moon for horses, and the ads are something like that. This is definitely something to give a try, and like these guys niching down only on horses, I'm sure that they are crushing it, because no one is targeting for trimmer horse owners. Like people gonna go for the basic ones like cats, dogs. I mean, no one gonna go for horses. So yeah, this is the number one. So winning product number two is puzzles. Puzzles are selling like pancakes recently, like selling more than during the holiday season, like Q4. Something really insane. Check this curve, and in the top, like in four from the top five countries: Australia, US, Canada, New Zealand. And let me show you some more cool stuff. Like on Adplexity, we can see the last 14 days product strength. When it is 2000, 2700, it means like they are selling like crazy. They are selling a lot. Like this is a very good sign to jump on the product and test it. Even 700 is a really good sign. Anything above 500 is really cool. And even the 200, because it was just 8 days ago, it means that's something worth testing. Let me show you some more stuff. So figure 3 jigsaw puzzle, and see, they are scaling it to the moon. 22nd and 23rd, that is today, and they are scaling it to the moon. Let's see another one. This one is for kids. Let's check the ads, and they are scaling it to the moon. Everyone is going crazy about the puzzle right now. Everyone. It's the trend. Let's see this. So you have to align like you make them like look like these cards. And yeah, let's check more. This puzzle, happiness, Earth, Moon. Again, scaling it, scaling the moon to the moon. Let's check another. Here we go, another one. They are scaling it. Little bit static, but still, this is scaling like it's going. It's an uptrend. Uh, and one more thing I want to show you, like check this jigsaw one. They are selling tons and tons of variation. What you can do is finding a provider that can make custom ones for you, and like you send your own designs, and you can eventually, what you can do is making puzzles in some specific niche and focusing on this niche, like could be like this one could be a specific animal or anything, and starting with Facebook ads and influencer and everything. Then in the long term game, you try to work on SEO and dominate the niche on the search engine. Like when people look for something related to the niche puzzles in that niche, they will find your store. And by the way, if you want me to make a video like to share with you the ninja tools I'm using and I'm leveraging in my stores, like to rank on Google and to get some extra free traffic, because it's free money, let me know and I'll make a video. Just comment SEO and I will make a video about this and show you some really cool stuff. Winning product numero tres is the pressure washer. Everyone right now is like into everything about cleaning, washing, and stuff like that due to the COVID-19. So, and this one has exploded in sales recently. Like you can see in here, going up and all the way up, 97. And it's sold in the 3 countries from the big 5, what is really a good sign. And let's check some other cool stuff about this one. As we can see in here, last 7 days it's getting 3,000 products trend. It's really crazy. It means like they are scaling it really hard. 700, 200, 200, and like many stores are throwing it and testing it, but still there is still some, like it's a big ecom cake. Everyone gonna get his part, so you go and you grab yours, and you can see in here it's an uptrend. Even in the sales it's going up. And in AliExpress, if we check for this product, it costs something like 5, 7, 4 with good reviews. This one for and selling it for 470. Like this is something like I will definitely test. I hope that you guys got some value from this video and that you are going to take action on this, because it's all about taking action. It's what makes the difference. It's not because I shared this that everyone gonna go and gonna test the same products and everything. Just a few are action takers, and be that action taker, because right now is the time, it's the best time to either start or restart ecom. So yeah, go for it. And regarding my last video, and I said that I will make a video about N26. Thing is, the Brexit happened and they shut down my account, because they are no longer a part of Europe, and N26 is a European institution. So now I'm figuring out how to make this work. Once I crack the code, as always, I will make a video and I will share it with you guys. Parceros, my monthly mentorship program is back. I I have closed it at the end of last Q4, and my plan was to reopen it this year's Q4 because it's when all the action is happening, a lot of scaling, a lot of cool stuff going on. So right now with the actual crazy situation, I thought it's a good thing to reopen some slots and to work in person with some ninjas so I can help you out guys in validating the product, the marketing, the scaling, putting up systems so you don't so you can scale the business faster, all this cool stuff. So if interested, you will find the link below. And like first arrived, first served because I don't have a lot of slots for this one. Cheers.